When we look at 2018, we should look back to 2017 and look at some of the clues. When you look at the fixed income market in 2017, as Chito pointed out, volume of activity reached in the G3 market over 300 billion US dollars. And we've seen the same sort of banks that have been very active, such as HSBC, right?
Yeah. Well, HSBC taking from the regional awards, right? Again, they won the best bond house because of the not just leading the league table in terms of the volume of issuance, but they covered a lot of grounds. They managed to pick up a lot of thematic themes that we saw in 2017, like the corporate hybrids, the green bonds, for instance, right?
Yes, that's right. But however, it's not just HSBC. The other international banks are coming up as well.
Yeah.
We saw some of the nominees, including Citi, that came up in our radar. In terms of renminbi bond market, of course, the standouts tend to be the Chinese banks. And this year, Bank of China scoped the bond house, renminbi bond house award as well.
Yeah. And then in the other fixed income category, we saw DBS Bank. The best loan house advisory win by DBS just remind the competition that regional banks are really a force to reckon with when it comes to loan products, right? In a year when we saw the loan volume decline for the third consecutive year, DBS was involved in key M&A and events-driven deals like privatization of Bell International. They are involved in the acquisition financing for Star Energy to acquire the geothermal assets of Chevron in the Philippines and Indonesia, as well as in the Nesta investment, private financing for GLP.
The power of the Chinese private equity, if you could say that, they've taken over one of the largest logistics company in the region.